Hello and welcome to a video for the ATLAS Masterclass series. So in this video, we're going to learn how to install some software on Windows 10 that's necessary to run the data analysis software used in the Masterclass. So first of all, I'm here on the HYPATIA webpage, and HYPATIA is the software that we run to do data analysis in the masterclass. But you can see if we look into the fine print here, I'm going to zoom in a bit, that to run this program, we need the Java Runtime Environment installed, and we need at least version 1.6. So that's what we're going to do now. So if we go to the Java installation website, the Oracle Java site, we can see that for a Windows 10 computer, the best way to do this is actually just to download the software from their own web page. So we're going to go here to do that. Now, don't worry about copying down the links in these videos. They'll be supplied in the text underneath this video, so you don't have to write them down now. So I'm going to copy this, this web page and actually go into my Windows machine. Just move that to the side. So here's my Windows 10 machine, and you can see that I'm actually running this in a virtual machine on a Mac OS system. It shouldn't change anything for your own installation, but just in case you were wondering why my Windows machine is floating. So to do the Java installation, we're first going to open our browser of choice. I'm going to use Chrome, and we're going to, and we're going to now go to that website we were looking at before. So that was java.com and download. And we're going to do a manual installation. Okay, about a second. Great, here's the web page. So we're going to do an offline installation, and we have a 64-bit machine. So we click 64 bits and the download should start. So because I'm using a Google Chrome browser, the download for me appears in this bottom left-hand corner, but for you, depending on what browser you use, it might appear somewhere else. Okay, and that has finished downloading. So we're going to show in folder, and then double click to run the installer. And we can see that this user account control pops up. And this is a good time to mention that if you are not the owner or administrator of the computer that you're trying to do the installation on, please do not continue with the installation until you get permission from the owner or administrator of the machine, okay? If you are the owner or administrator or you have permission, continue. So we say, yes, we do want to install this, and you can see it's thinking, it's running the installation, and then we have this little installation wizard pop up. So let's take a look at that now. Don't need these windows anymore. This pop-up is just to say that we aren't going to use the software for commercial use, and we're not. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. You can see the progress bar there. It's taking its time. This might be faster on your machine and might just be slow on mine because of the resources I've allocated to my virtual instance. Almost there. All right, excellent. So how can we actually check that this really works? So there's a couple of ways we can do it on Windows. The first one is to open the control panel. So if you go to your little toolbar there and just open up the control panel and go to programs, we should see Java, and we do. So that's great. And if you ever want to uninstall Java, this is the place you'd start by doing that. The other way we can do it actually is also to open a terminal. So to do that, we need to open the command prompt. So once again, go to your search bar and type CMD and open the command prompt. And this is kind of nice because checking whether the installation was successful is the same in both Windows and Unix machines. So we just type Java -version, and we should get a version. And there we have it. All right, so this concludes the video on how to install Java for the ATLAS Masterclass. After you've finished this video and your installation was successful, please go ahead and watch the video by one of my colleagues about how to download and run HYPATIA. His video is a bit longer. He's going to go through all the different types, all the different features of the software. But if you have any questions about this video or his video, just write in and let us know.